Good afternoon. Market closed about 16 minutes ago. If you want to see all my trades, there you go. They are right there. If you want to leave, cool. Basically today I'm not super happy with my trades. I was up. I'm in profit, but it doesn't matter. I don't like how I traded. First things first, let's go through my first trade, Apple. This was what it looked like today. This was at the open, or not the open, but middle of the day. It was messing with the 129 right there, so I was like, all right, I'm gonna probably get in puts on the intraday if it breaks lows and wait till the 129.04. It didn't really reach 129.04, and here, let me just show you this chart. This is what Apple looks like. I was looking at the 2-minute. It just does not look pretty. It fell. Okay, my thing was I wanted it to break 131.33 and then I'd get in puts. I was also watching Nvidia for puts, and this just broke so quickly I couldn't get in perfectly. So I'm gonna show you the contract I was in. I'm pretty sure it was 125. I got in 125 puts. So I got in at 931.45, so damn near like at the tops. I got in at 28, and then I sold the next minute at 31, just like a quick scalp. I could have held longer. I probably should have held longer, but I don't know. I wasn't really too psyched on getting in down here. You know what I mean? But in the end, it damn near reached 129, but it didn't fully. So I'm actually not too mad with it. But I mean, I don't know. I was also looking at the minus one deviation on the year-to-date chart. I was looking at that yellow trend line right here, the VWAP, the minus one deviation, and I did sell there. So I mean, it could have been worse, but yeah, that's basically it for that one. This was the contract on the Apple. You already looked at it, but yeah, just mediocre. I'm pretty sure I got in more Apple. This one I bought. I was like, all right, I really think this is gonna flip calls. So after the first trade right here, puts, I went calls the rest of the day, and then I got in calls on Apple, and I got in, I'm pretty sure at 36, and I got stopped out at 27, 36, 27. You can just look over here, but yeah, not the best trade. I re-added on Apple. Let's see where I re-added. 35, 135. Alrighty, let's see where I re-added. So I re-added on this big ass candle at 47, which is actually not a terrible entry. Could have been slightly better, but not bad. And then I got out on this candle right here at 59. So 47 to 59, $12 trade. I'm pretty happy about that. I can't be mad at that. It was 25%, not bad at all. I kind of risked a little bit more. 47 contract, not usually normally what I do, but I usually try to stay under 40, but I was quite confident on the trade. And then I had an Nvidia call at 175. 175 calls. All right. Well, I got in on the downtrend. Obviously, you can see how it played out. I was like, I got in probably around here, maybe this one. But yeah, got in at 943.25, and it went down a couple more things, and then I got stopped out at 19, literally the low. I got stopped out at the low. Isn't that unfortunate? But I'm pretty sure I had a 20 stop, and it just tagged me, and I can't do shit about that. So then I was like, I really believe in this bullshit. So I got in 170 calls, which were much better. I got in at 50, which is right here. This is also a more I was very confident about this trade, But as you can see, I got in right here, one of these, and I got out at the VWAP rejection. I thought it would keep breaking and falling down because I believe Nvidia will keep falling in the weeks to come. But that wasn't today. So I got in at 50. I sold at 58, I'm pretty sure, like 2 minutes later. Okay, that's like 5 minutes later. 5 minutes later, I got out at 58. And it ran all the way up to $1. So it's unfortunate, but it does happen. I can't beat myself up. It's just the nature of trading. You hit trades and sometimes they work and sometimes they don't. Sometimes you get stopped and then it runs. Sometimes you don't get out early enough. Sometimes you get out too early. It's just how it works. And it's unfortunate, but I'd rather get out there for profits and not go negative or stop out at break even than me catching this whole move. I'd rather catch part of the move than none of the move or lose money on the move. So those are my trades today. Could have done better. This Apple put, I was confident in the trade. I got out at a fine time. I wonder what I could have done better. I mean, I don't know. It just didn't work out. You know, it happens. But I wonder what time did I get out? 9:33 I got out. So I got out at the, okay, well, could have been worse, I guess. I got in here, got out the next minute. I'm just not proud of how I traded. I could have done much better. Me and the people in the Discord knew that it wasn't going to be like a super trendy day. Obviously, you can see a trend there, but like it just doesn't look pretty. Like it's not looking pretty for like a real trade, like a trend trading day where it's just like falls the whole day, boom, 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 and it makes sense. I mean, you've had so many red days that it kind of just doesn't make sense to keep going red and red and red. So you got to have one of these days. Now, do I think we run tomorrow? Doubt it. Maybe. Don't know. Maybe we go and test 133.50 and reject it and then break lows. Don't know. Maybe we consolidate under here. But I do think it needs to test down here at 129-ish area. I don't know when, but I believe it. That's one of the things I'll be looking for. And SPY, I didn't trade anything here today, but I mean, it's finding support. Do I think it'll stay in this area? Probably for a little bit, maybe a couple days. Maybe, actually, no, we have some huge news on Thursday and Friday. And I'm going to show you here. I'm going to show you how to get news as well if you need. You go to marketwatch.com, you go to economy, you go to US economic calendar, and boom, you get all the news you need. Tomorrow, we don't have anything too crazy. Existing home sales, that's kind of nice. I mean, but right now, we're really looking at initial jobless claims, RGD, real gross domestic product, or GDP. RGDP. Most people just say GDP. But yeah, we're looking at that tomorrow. Then on Friday, we're looking at PCE, core PCE. All of this shit's so important. But yeah, this stuff less on the bottom. But you know, that's the goal. That's what we're looking at for the next 2 days. Wednesday might not even be good for trading. But yeah, adios. Have a good one. Bye.